Welcome to the unboxing of Alveo, the lung simulator from IMT Analytics. Inside the box you will find the quick start guide, the calibration certificate, 2 pre-configured tablets, 1 educator tablet, and 1 student tablet. Two USB-C cables, the adapter set, and the switching power adapter for the alveo unit. To begin the setup, connect the power adapter to the alveo device. Remove the protective cap from the front of alveo. Press the power button on alveo to switch it on. Turn on both tablets. And wait until the alveo applications have fully loaded on each one. After about 60 to 90 seconds, alveo has fully initialized. If the status icons show no warnings and are displayed in white, the system has started up correctly. Connect the tablets to alveo using the USB-C cables. First, plug the USB-C cable into any USB-C port on alveo. Then, connect the other end to the tablet. The tablets can also connect via Wi-Fi. Once the interface is running, they connect to alveo automatically. If the Wi-Fi and link icons show no warnings, the tablets are successfully connected. To use alveo with a ventilator or assisted ventilation device, connect the patient tubing to the patient port on alveo and select lung simulation mode on the educator tablet. To use alveo with a bag valve mask, connect the bag to the alveo port and select bag simulation mode on the educator tablet. Perform a few manual tests. Alveo will respond in real time, and the LED lung on the top surface will change according to your maneuvers. From here, you can select different scenarios, adjust the patient parameters, and start your training session. Your alveo system is now unboxed and ready for use.